Crave here, and today's After Effects skill is to use masking to add this to create this. Ooh, freaky! So what you're going to need is you're going to need the assets. That is the picture of the monkeys and the film of me, and you'll need a copy of After Effects. So let's go. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to set the size of the composition to the size of the video by dragging the actual video into the composition window. And then what we're going to do is add the monkey picture on top of it. And that means the monkey picture is going to be the wrong size. So what you need to do is resize the monkey picture so that it fits into the frame. You'll probably have to alter the aspect ratio. So, have fun with that. Basically, just fill the frame. Once that's done, what you're going to do is you're going to take the picture of me and you're going to drag it to the top. Then we're going to create a mask. It's really easy, but you need to use the pen tool. If you used it before in Illustrator, you should have no trouble doing this. Click, hold and drag to make a curve. Click, hold and drag to make a curve. And you can trace around my head. Now, if you have selected the video layer when you do this, instead of making a shape, it will make a mask of my face. Click, hold and drag, and then click to finish. And there you go. There's my head masked out. Now what I'm going to do then is open up the video track. And I'm going to set the scale to about the size that I want it. Then use the arrow to move my face to the monkey that I'm going to composite over. Then use the rotate tool to rotate my face into position. And then use the handles to refine the size of the face. Place it on there. Already looking a little uncanny and creepy. But you notice that there are some problems with the points around the mask. So if you're good at Illustrator or if you've used vector tools before, again, this won't be a big surprise. You grab the arrow tool, you click on the point, and you drag it and put it into its new position. So if you're brand new to the whole idea of vector tools, this is probably going to be the most frustrating thing for you, and it's definitely something that you need to practice. The two handles on either side of the point are called Bezier handles, and what they do is control the amount of the curve. So experiment with that, and feel free to contact me if you're frustrated. So what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to get rid of the shape of the ear that I didn't want. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the layer and I'm going to open up the mask, and I'm going to notice that there are a few settings that I can change, one of which is feather. When I change the feathering of the mask, what I get is a softer edge along the side of the image. And so feathering can be used as one technique to blend images together to help with your compositing. But this is Comtech, and I want to go beyond, and I want to reach for that A. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another monkey face on. To save myself some work, what I'm going to do is duplicate the layer that I've already made with Control D. Now that's a command you're going to use a lot. Control D. I guess on Mac it'd be Command D. That duplicates your layer. Very common thing to do in After Effects, so learn that. Then what I'm going to do is rename the layers so I can keep in mind which is which. Then I'm going to grab my face and move it over to the new monkey. Now it looks like the shape of the mask is no longer really appropriate, so I'd like to delete the original mask. I'm going to open it up, go to the mask layer, click on the mask itself, and just push the delete key. Ba-boom, it's gone. And now to review the technique for building a mask, I grab the pen. Click. Click and drag and hold to make a curve. Click and drag and hold to make a curve. Click and hold and drag. Sorry, hold and drag, not drag and hold. Click, hold and drag. Just a little bit of hold and drag, not too much. There you go. I'm doing it on the inside of my melon right now, just so it would look a little better. Then I just repeat the process of using the arrow key to move points around and shuffle the settings to blend the face in using feather. Resize so that it fits properly and adjust. And that is your task. That is what you're to do. Make me into at least one monkey. And that is how you mat in After Effects.